the last video, we have discussed what is measures of central tendency and what are the various types of measures of central tendencies. In that, we have discussed arithmetic mean. Now let us move to the next topic, that is median. Median is nothing but a middlemost value of the set of values when they are arranged in ascending order of the magnitude is called median, and it is denoted by m. It is nothing but calculation of the middle value is known as the median. Here we have two types. In case of a raw data, median is calculated by using the formula n plus 1 by 2th value. First, we should arrange the given data in ascending order. Then to calculate median, we should use this formula n plus 1 by 2th value. And in case of continuous frequency distribution, median is given by m is equals to L plus n by 2 minus m into C divided by F, where L is nothing but the lower limit of the median class and the C is nothing but the width of the median class. F is known as the frequency of the median class and m is known as the less than cumulative frequency up to L, and this capital N refers to total frequency. Let us see how to find out the median for the following example. The following data relates to the number of children of 25 couples. Find the median. Number of children per couple is given randomly: 2, 0, 5, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0, 3, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 7, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1. So this is the set of data. This is nothing but an individual series. This series is called as the individual series. Individual values are given. Individual series means where the individual values are given. First, we should arrange this in ascending order. So ascending order is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 7. So here totally we have 25 set of values. So n value is 25 and the median is given by m equals n plus 1 by 2th value. N is 25, 25 plus 1 divided by 2 is 13th value. So median is my 13th value. So to calculate 13th value, I should give a number here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is my 13th value. So this is my 13th value. So median will be equals to 2 children per couple. This is how we should calculate the median for individual series. If the given data are in discrete and continuous frequency distribution, then the median value depends on the less than cumulative frequency. So the second example is, the following are the marks scored by 8 students in an examination. Find the median rank. Percentage of the marks is given as 46, 83, 13, 4, 15, 28, 30, 34. First, we should arrange this given data in ascending order. So the ascending series of the given data is 4, 13. First least number is 4 here. So 4, then 13, 15, 28, 30, 46, 83. Here totally we have 8 values. So n value is 8. Then to calculate median, we have a formula n plus 1 by 2th value. So n is 8. 8 plus 1 by 2 is 4.5. So 4.5th value means here this is the first value. This is my first value. This is my second value. This is third. This is fourth. This is 5, 6 and 7, 8. These are my 8 values. So when I have 8 values, here median lies between 4.5th value. 4.5th value means it lies between 4 and 5. So between 4 and 5 means how to calculate that value, in between value. So I should add these two values, 28 plus 30 divided by 2. 28 plus 30 divided by 2. So my median value will be equals to 29. This is one of the different type of problem. The following data relates to the number of apples per box in 100 boxes. Find the median. So number of apples per box is given as 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128. So 120 apples are there in 2 boxes. That is nothing but the frequency. So 121 apples are there in 4 boxes. 122 apples in 7 boxes. So these numbers refers to the frequency. So first we should again rearrange this in the ascending order. This is nothing but a discrete series where the individual values along with their frequencies are given. This is known as the discrete series. Again here in discrete series also, first we should arrange the given data in ascending order. So ascending order is 120, 21, 22, 123, 24, 125, 126, 127, 128. And their corresponding frequencies are 2, 4, 7, 14, 21, 22, 19, 8, 3. So in this case, whenever the discrete series or continuous series, whenever we have the frequencies, first we should calculate the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but accumulation of the frequencies. So here the first cumulative frequency should be retained as it is 2. Then to get the next value, I should add this 2 with the next value. So I should add this with this. I will get my 6. Then I should add 6 with 7. I will get 13. This is how we should calculate the cumulative frequency. Then I should add 13 with 14. I'll get 27. I should add 27 with 21. I'll get 48. Then 48 plus 22 gives me 70. Then 70 plus 19 gives me 89. 89 plus 8 gives me 97. 97 plus 3 gives me 100. This is how first we should calculate the cumulative frequencies. Then we should add up this frequency column 100. So when I add up the cumulative frequencies, my total value will be equal to this sum value 100. Then here we know that n is 100. Median is given by m is equals to n plus 1 by 2th value. N plus 1 by 2th value means n is 100. 100 plus 1 by 2 is 50.5. So 50.5 means here, where does this 50.5 lies? Here it won't come. We should look into the next value of 50. So the next value of 50 is my 70. So the median value is corresponding to 70. We have the value 125. So corresponding to 70 we have 125. Therefore my median value is 125. Hence m is equals to 125.